Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Manfred, and in this video we will learn how to select cells quickly. So let's start to select the entire column. Simply select the first cell of this column and then press the Ctrl key plus the Shift key plus the down arrow key to select the entire column of this data. Again, select the first cell here, then press the Ctrl, Shift and down arrow key to select the entire column here. To select the entire row of this data is the same. Select the first cell of the row, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow key. Again, select the first cell, then press Ctrl, Shift and right arrow key. And if you want to select the entire data, select the first cell and press Ctrl, Shift plus right arrow key, and then keep the Ctrl and Shift keys pressed and press the down arrow key. So here select the first cell to select the first row, Ctrl, Shift plus right arrow key, and then the down arrow key to select the entire data. And one more shortcut here to select the entire data. Simply select any cell in this data and press Ctrl plus A to select the entire data. So this is a way you can select your data quickly by using shortcut keys in Excel. Hopefully this video has been useful for you. If it has, please subscribe and click the like button below the video. And I'll see you in the next video.